About 1,196 crores will come in as part of this transaction. Now, obviously, we've signed our definitive agreements. Within the next few months, the regulatory approvals will come through. So, obviously, we anticipate to close this entire thing before 31st March.
So, when we're talking about the infusion of 1,200 crores into Reliance Capital, what is that money going to be used for? What is that capital going to be used for?
Right. So, our focus is obviously to grow our NBFC business also, and also to reduce our debt partly. So in the NBFC space, we want to focus on the housing finance. That is an area of significant opportunity for us, especially in the affordable housing segment. So we'll focus on that area. So obviously capital will be put into the housing finance company.
Give us an idea as to the funds that will come in as an immediate reflection of that improvement in partnership.
So as of today, and we only launched a Japan-India fund in the last 12 months. We've already garnered about over $1 billion. And also we've only used one distributor in Japan. Now we're adding a couple more distributors. So going forward, obviously as part of our collaboration with Nippon Life, one area of significant growth would be how do we garner more business from Japan, but also from other parts of the world where they have activities.
What is the increase in AUM that we can expect in the near term? That would be FY17.
No, see, we already launched our funds, so obviously business is coming in. That will obviously enhance quite significantly. So in the next financial, at least we should double it or triple that amount. So $1 billion should at least go to $2 to $3 billion.
26% is what Nippon Life currently holds in Reliance Life. There is a stated intention that they want to raise it to 49%. What is the hold-up? Why is it not taking place sooner rather than later?
No, so we are already in discussion with Nippon Life. Obviously, the transaction on the asset management side had started earlier, so we have concluded that. Now the discussions are on the life insurance side, but we'll certainly close the life insurance transaction also from 26 to 49 in this financial year.
The intent to sell additional non-core assets. Give us a little idea as to what is being discussed right now.
No, see, as our chairman has mentioned, that our focus will be on financial services. So all our financial services businesses, we'll continue to grow those. We may bring in partners in some of them, as we have already started on the insurance side, asset management side. On the non-core investments, obviously the company had invested in a large number of different types of assets, including some entertainment assets, and we have already started exiting some of them, and we'll continue that process. So in the next 12 to 18 months, we'll obviously continue that process.
Okay.